Hi, grade ones and twos. Today is Thursday, the 13th of August, and we're in maths, and we've been focusing on directions and location. So plenty of new words that we've been learning this week. In maths, let's look at our PowerPoint slide, which you can click on too if you want to have a look through. We'll find our learning intention on the next slide. So we are learning to give and follow directions and use words that describe location. To be successful, I can use words such as up, down, left, right, forwards, backwards, clockwise and anti-clockwise, next to. So many words that describe location. Let's remember what location means. Let's go back to our important words list. Location. Location is a particular place. Yesterday, the location was the zoo. That was the map that we had. Remember how maps are helpful to give us to help us find places. So the location was the zoo, and we needed to give directions yesterday. So directions are how something or someone moves. You know, are they going left? Are they going right? Are they going up, down? Other words that we can use: clockwise, anti-clockwise. We learned about them yesterday. Next to, you might describe where something is by saying it's next to something, or maybe it's in the middle. The word position was an interesting one. So think about your position or wherever you might be starting on the map. So yesterday you had to start from where Mr. Larico was at the top, where the zoo gate was. That was my position. That's where I started. And you have to think about which way you might be facing too, so you know whether it's left or right. Okay, because if you're looking the other way, it will be the opposite. All right, so today we are going to be looking at directions in the city. And remember, if you've got access to this PowerPoint now, so if you want to keep looking at that, if you need to remind yourself on what some of those words mean, have a look at this poster. It's very helpful. Clockwise and anti-clockwise is still there from yesterday. Directions in the city is what we're going to focus on. This is the new map that we're going to get. So we're no longer at the zoo. The location now is we're in the city. And there's all these different shops in the city. There is a task. So when we go back to classwork and we click on task, it's going to explain exactly what we need to do, and I'll talk you through it too. So your task is to, first of all, click on the Google Docs like this, and it will take you to your task page where you will see that map of the city, directions in the city. Just give it a bit of time to load. All right, here it is. So we've got the map, and now there's some questions that you will need to answer about this map. So this is where you're going to need to start. So you are here. The first part says, write the missing directions to get to the right shops. How do you get to the butcher's? Well, this one is done for us. It says here, go straight ahead. Take the first left, which would be this one. So turning left to go here. Turn left. Let's go and turn left here. And it's on your right. It's on your right. There's the butcher's. So the first one is done for us. Okay, the next one, to get to the bakery. How do you get to the bakery from where it says you are here? Well, you need to go straight ahead, and then this is where you need to fill in the rest. So go straight ahead, and you're going to need to turn left. Keep going straight, and you will reach the bakery straight ahead at the end. Okay, so you can, and then you've got to tell me how we're going to get to all these other shops here, the grocers. So first of all, you need to, before you actually start doing them, you need to locate where they are on the map. Kiosk. There's the kiosk and supermarket. Where's the supermarket? Over here. That's question one. Question two says, position yourself at one of the shops. Write the directions to get to another shop. Okay, so instead of starting here, maybe you might want to start at the shoe shop. And what are the directions? And you might decide that you want to give directions from the shoe shop to the fish shop, or the shoe shop to the pharmacy. So from the shoe shop, you're going to have to say, walk straight ahead and take the second left. The pharmacy will be on your right. Okay, so think about the directions that you need to give, because the directions are help for us. If you are giving directions, the person you're giving directions to needs to be able to read it, and it needs to be specific so they know exactly what to do. Third question says, write some facts about the map using your knowledge of left and rights. So, the pharmacy is to the left of the grocers. That's an example. You can tell me some more. And finally, this last one says, if I started at the bookshop, walk straight past the fish shop, turn left, walk straight, turn left, and walk straight to the end of the road, which shop would be on my right? You're going to have to reread that again while you're looking at the map and see if you can tell me which shop it gets to, the answer. If you would like to do the extension task, which is further down, you can watch the extension video, which is in the PowerPoint at the bottom. Okay. All right. Good luck.